This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 41 Demonstration XV. The video begins with an introduction to GUI programming using the AEWT library, covering GUI containers, components and layout managers. It demonstrates the development of applets and applications, showcasing components like buttons, checkboxes, labels, lists and choices. Next, the video delves into creating frames, which are the main windows of a GUI application. It covers setting titles, sizes, and backgrounds of frames as well as resizing them by modifying pixel values. It also demonstrates creating panels inside frames with customized colors and adding buttons to frames with specific locations and dimensions. A program execution displays a frame with a button. The video then explores creating checkboxes and checkbox groups. It covers the checkbox class for creating individual checkboxes with items, controlling their checked-unchecked state through the constructor. These checkboxes are added to frames, and clicking on them toggles their state. The checkbox group class is introduced, which contains multiple checkbox items as a group, with visual differences compared to standalone checkboxes. Moving on, the video introduces labels and text components. Labels are positioned inside frame containers, while text fields are used for capturing user input with event handlers. Text arrays allow for larger text input with scroll bars. Lists and choice components are also covered, enabling the display and selection of items. Scroll bars are demonstrated for horizontal and vertical scrolling in these components. The video then showcases application examples, including a calculator GUI applet with text fields, buttons, and labels, as well as a student information GUI with text fields and buttons. It covers event handling for button clicks and user input, and demonstrates file operations for storing student records. Next, the video explores various layout managers. The flow layout arranges components from left to right, while the border layout divides the canvas into 5 regions. The grid layout places components in a grid pattern, and the card layout allows switching between multiple components. As the video concludes, it summarizes the key takeaways, emphasizing the integration of components into applets and applications, the use of layout managers for automatic component arrangement, and the inheritance of components from the Java.AWT component class. Event handling for user input and interaction is also highlighted. Finally, the video reiterates the key takeaways, stating that GUI components allow user interaction in apps and applets. Event handlers capture user input from components. Layout managers help arrange components automatically. And applets apps are built by integrating various GUI components. File operations enable storing and retrieving data, while components can be customized in terms of colors, sizes, and positioning. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.